Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've been following the Lotus Sunbeam restoration series, as you'll know that the floor has all been reassembled. It's been fixed. New brackets have been made. We've removed all the rust. We've primed it, and we've lined it up in its place. This is the original position where it will sit. Now we've left the original chassis leg on the left hand side. It allows us to line up the floor in its original position. So that's why we've left that side on. On this side, we've got the new leg. Now what I need to do is we need to tack it into place. Once it's tacked into place, we'll remove the floor and then we'll spot weld it on the bench, because it's a lot easier for us to do that than lying on your back and getting underneath it or what have you. So yeah, that's the plan for this video. So we've got the chassis leg now attached to the floor. I've spot welded it as far as I could on the vehicle. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do all the rest of the welding on the bench. Is prepped and epoxy primed the floor, so that's all sealed and it's pretty much ready to be welded into the car. So we're going to go ahead and grab some tools and yeah, hopefully it will fit. you never know with so much welding that we've done, it does tend to warp and distort the panels, but hopefully yeah, hopefully it'll fit. If it doesn't fit, we'll cut away and reposition mount so it does fit. But fingers crossed that they will fit. So yeah, we'll go and grab some tools. it's in. So what I'm going to do, it's actually in. That was a bit heavy. That was heavy. That was pretty heavy. Yeah, so the floor's in. I can see that it's near enough in the position for the bolts to go through. So I go in there and just lever it into place, put the bolts through. Once I've got both bolts through, and then we can put some clamps in the middle, and then line it up, and then we can weld that. One of the most important things up to now, and that is weld that section onto this section here. Now the reason that this final weld is so important is to get the body straight. If we get this off angle, if it's a little bit tilted this way or a little bit tilted that way, or it's like, you know, if it's not 100% where it's meant to be, down the line is going to give us a lot of problems, i.e. the doors won't fit, the wings won't line up. So you find on the other ones we'll do, you'll find out that all the doors, they don't fit. You know, none of them, nothing fits. The doors don't fit, the wings don't fit, the bonnets, they don't line up right, and it's because back in the day they weren't all that good. So so they were just, you know, they were never straight. So but all the ones we've done, they're all straight, because
you basically fix their problem.
Yeah, we fix their problem. Basically, we're fixing their problem. So as you can see there, that's all level. We've got our jig set up underneath, so all the 4 mounting points, they're all where it's meant to be. The floor now is where it's meant to be. We've measured it. We know it's where it's meant to be, and yeah, so we can start welding. So we've got the floor welded in, and it's all perfectly level and straight, so that's where we want it to be. And now the next stage will be to put the side on. Now we've got the inner arch to put on that we repaired earlier, so we've got that's ready to put on. We've got a original new old stock inner wing, which is that panel there, which we've got to weld the seatbelt brackets onto. So we've got that there as well, and then we've got the outside porter to repair. So what we might do is put all of that together, weld all of that together, and just weld it all onto this side in one go, and then the outer seal will go on last.